Welcome to my channel. This shower video is for those with a two-way faucet who are planning to replace their old telephone shower. It can also be attached to water heater if you want out of hot and cold water. Just comment below and I will teach you how to attach this rain shower to the water heater. Remove the old telephone shower holder first. This is the new one. Includes to supply hoses. The one is for the two-way faucet and the other one is for the handheld shower. This is the base and shower control. First, remove the Allen screws. The base. Attach the base on the wall using electric drill. And next, insert the plastic tocks to the hole. Attach the base using a metal screw. And next, attach the shower control to the base. Reattach to Allen screws and tighten with an Allen wrench. There is a free Allen wrench when you buy it. Attach shower rod to the base control. Temporarily attach the shower rod holder. Mark and drill a hole for the screw. And also put a plastic tocks before attaching the shower rod holder. Attach the adjustable slide bar holder. And now the shower rod holder can be attached. Put the rubber O-ring first to the shower head bar. put the water filter first before connecting the shower to the head bar. Clean the water filter when the shower is clogged. And now attach the shower head bar to the shower rod. Tighten the screw of the bar holder and put the cover on. Connect the supply hose that is for the handheld shower. And the other supply hose is for the two-way faucet. This is what a handheld shower looks like. Disconnect the old supply hose and replace the new one. This is for the handheld shower. And this is the one connected to the two-way faucet. And just in case you want to connect this shower to the water heater, just remove the other end of the supply hose attached from the two-way faucet to the base control and attach to the water heater inlet. And purchase another long supply hose that will extend to the base control and connect from the water heater outlet to the base control. Measure the length needed before purchase. About 1.5 meters to 2 meters depends on how high the water heater is. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.